Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kajabi with Stripe for faster payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard after signing in. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Payments. Here, you will see different payment options available. Click on Connect Stripe to begin the authorization process. If you already have a Stripe account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have a Stripe account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. Follow the prompts on the Stripe website to set up your account. Once your Stripe account is created, return to Kajabi. You will see a pop-up asking for authorization to connect your Kajabi account to Stripe. Click on Authorize Access to grant Kajabi permission. This step allows Kajabi to process payments through Stripe. You may need to verify your identity for security purposes. After successful verification, your accounts will be connected. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the successful connection. Now, check the Payout section in the Payments menu. This section displays your payout schedule and details. Make sure all your business information is correctly entered in Stripe. This ensures accurate payouts to your bank account. Once everything is set, you are ready to sell your products. With your Kajabi account authorized with Stripe, you can enjoy faster payouts. Always monitor your sales and payouts through your Kajabi dashboard. You are now fully set up to accept payments using Kajabi and Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our